STEK shampoo is designed for removing remaining contaminants after the pre-wash stage. To minimize scratches on the vehicle's surface, always use it following a pre-wash. Both the alkaline STEK foam and the neutral pre-wash or foam bath can be used for pre-washing. For safe use, you will need a car wash bucket, grid guard, and wash mitt. Use a bucket with a capacity of 15 liters to 20 liters and a grid guard that fits the bucket size. Any type of wash mitt can be used, but sponge-based mitts can cause more scratches. Fill the bucket with water and add shampoo at a minimum ratio of 1,000 to 1. The ratio doesn't have to be exact. Adding more shampoo increases lubrication. Create rich foam by adding more water or using a pressure washer. Soak the wash mitt in the shampoo solution until fully saturated. Then gently wash the vehicle's surface without applying pressure. Typically, clean one section, for example, one door panel at a time. Then rub the mitt against the grid guard to remove contaminants. Repeat this process for the entire vehicle. Then rinse off the foam with a pressure washer. STEK shampoo can also be used with a foam lance. Dilute the shampoo with water at a ratio of 10 to 1. Use the foam lance to cover the entire vehicle with foam. Then wash the vehicle with a wash mitt. This method allows for quicker washing but has a slightly higher risk of scratches since the mitt isn't rinsed as often. STEK shampoo is a safe, neutral product that can be used on any vehicle condition. It creates rich foam, effective for removing contaminants left after pre-washing with minimal damage. Keep your vehicle safe and shining with STEK products.